At Pincus Elevator Company, excellent customer service, quality, and reliability are what we stand by. And that's been our philosophy since my father started the company in 1953, installing and maintaining elevators throughout the Philadelphia area. When I bought the business in 1985, we expanded into eastern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, and North Delaware. We are headquartered in Westchester, Pennsylvania, where we have an 8,000 square foot office, parts, warehouse, and training center. We are also one of the largest merit shop independent elevator companies in the tri-state area. Our team of certified elevator technicians are trained and ready to service our customers.
I retired from the Navy after 20 years, and I've been managing elevators for 17 years ever since. I've previously worked for two of the top elevator companies in the world. We take safety very seriously and conduct extensive training on safety and the technical aspects of all makes and models of elevator equipment, regardless of type or age.
We are big believers in providing our customers with non-proprietary elevator equipment. This gives our customers the freedom to choose who they want to service their elevators. Unlike our competitors, where you are stuck for years with poor service and high cost, putting our customers first has always been our philosophy, which is how we've built such long-lasting relationships. I have to give credit to my management team. They are one of the best in the industry and focus on safety and customer service.
We can help with all your elevator needs, such as installation, modernization, repairs, and maintenance. If you reach out to us, I guarantee we can help you solve your problems.
We aim to offer the best service possible at the most competitive prices, with safety as our top priority.